Are you looking for a quick and easy side dish to go with tonight's dinner? Well, that's what we're going to talk about right now. If you're like most families, your main concern at the end of the day is getting dinner on the table for your family quickly and in the most healthy way that's possible. When you do that, you might be looking for some quick and easy side dishes that are actually pretty healthy. One that you can try is couscous. Now there's lots of different brands on the store shelves that you can buy. However, my concern with those is that they do contain some ingredients that you just can't pronounce. And again, going back to my mantra of staying as close to the source as possible, then you want to stick with stuff that is pretty natural. So what I did is in this article that's